Hello everyone. Today our lesson is Information and Communication Technology in grade 9, that is Internet and HTML. Lesson 7, 8 and 9. Cover this content. What is Internet and information on the Internet, website versus web pages, and HTML versus programming languages. So we are going to find the difference between HTML and other programming languages, and the HTML editor, web page structures, how we design the web pages, and the HTML tags listed. So those are the things we are going to learn today. And then first we have to learn what is Internet. Internet is the world's largest computer network that connects millions of computing devices around the world. So this is Internet. It connects millions of people, millions of computers within the world. So information on the Internet, we have lot of information to find in the Internet. Any kind of information we can find on the Internet. Internet can be used to share and display information basically. So Internet can be used to share. What do you mean by that? It's actually done via one of the service over the Internet. We access this information with the help of special software called web browser. So web browsers are used to view the websites which consist of web pages. Right? Now let's see what are the web pages and what is a website. So for access the Internet we need a web browser. That means when you want to type a document, you simply open the Word document. Same way, simply open the Word document. Same way, when you want to access Internet, you simply double click on one of these icons. Now these days the most popular one is Google Chrome. Microsoft Internet Explorer is the older one, and Mozilla Firefox is so kind of old, and Opera, Safari, Edge, these are the new versions. So special software which is used to view web pages. Find what is a web page and what is a website. If you take your grade 9 book, that is equal to a website. Each page can be equal to web page. So each page has a unique page number. You can't find same number with two pages. Same way you can't find same address with two web pages. Okay, I hope you feel the difference between websites and the web pages. Okay, one website can contain lot of web pages, as your grade 9 of web pages, as your grade 9 book can contain lot of pages, like that. HTML, that is stands for hypertext markup language. That is the language we use to design the websites. So it is a special markup language which is used to mark the content within the tags. I hope you all see the screen. There are tags only. We mark everything within the tags. So Sir Tim Berners-Lee is the founder of HTML. This is him. And HTML versus programming languages. So what are the other programming languages we know? Java, C++, C#, VB, those are the other programming languages. So HTML also a language. So we should feel the difference. HTML is not a programming language like that. So it is just a markup language. Okay, a programming language has a capability to give instructions to the computer to perform complex tasks. If you take addition of two numbers, so using the programming language we can explain to the computer how you add the two numbers. So HTML is not a language like that. So these are the programming languages. As I said, C++, C#, C, SQL, MySQL, Visual Basics. So but in HTML we simply mark the contents only. Within the text we mark the contents. So that's why we call it markup language. And we need a HTML editors to edit the markup language. Mark the tags. We have to mark the tags within the editors only. Otherwise we don't have a way of doing the HTML coding part. So HTML editor is required to type HTML tag. That is a simple definition. So code editor can be with visual or without visual. So no visual aids means you don't have visual screen in the monitor, you have only a notepad to type. So you simply can type the text. Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text 2. So these are the examples. So we can have the HTML editor with the visual screen also. So the best example is Adobe Dreamweaver. That means you simply have to drag and drop the content to your working area. It will automatically create the code. We don't have to mark the tags. Okay, that is with the graphics. Very easy to use. For a new user, this is very suitable. So this new user, this is very suitable. So these are the other examples for HTML editor with visual aids, right? HTML tags. When we are talking about tags, there are two types, paired tags and unpaired tags. When it comes to paired tags, you should have an opening tag as well as the closing tag with the backslash. If the unpaired tags comes, you don't have to close the tags. This is the syntax for paired tags. So you have to have the opening tag, content and the closing tag. If you take the example H1, so H1 tag is there, H1 for the heading. And let's say Leeds International School, then it's close the tag with the backslash. And then the HTML page structure. When you are designing a web page, HTML tag will mark the beginning and the end of the web page, and then head will mark the topic area, then the body tag will mark the content to be displayed. So all the HTML tags are written inside the HTML area. That is a must. Everything visible in the web page is from the body section and then contains some information regarding the web page itself that we call metadata. We can have it on the head tag. Once you type the HTML tags in a notepad, you can save it like this. So .html is the file extension you are going to use for the HTML pages, or you can use .html. Now here, first HTML page for you. That is very simple. I only mark the beginning and the end of the page and then the head and then the body. So that is nothing. You only have this empty web page. I hope you can see the output of the containing nothing. Only the web page we design. Then title tag. If you put the title tag within the head tag, see the output. We have given the title sample page, so it came in the top of the tab. The title came there. Earlier it was not there. And then HTML heading tags. There are 6 heading tags. The difference is when you give H1 with the heading, the font size is very big. When you give H2, that is less. It is reducing when you are coming to H6. So we can have 6 HTML head tags in this HTML coding. And then next, HTML head tags, how to use this. So once you put the body, even the head, you can mark this H1 as a very big with the very big letters. So this is the output. So you see that food items with a very large fonts. When you want to insert a picture to your HTML document, this is how it happens. You use img tag to insert an image, and you leave a space, then use src, then equal, that means the screen equal. You give the image name, that is the name you have saved the image in your computer. So it comes like this. And then when you want to put paragraph in the HTML documents, within the head or within the title or within the body or anywhere, so you use this p tag, and it has a closing tag also, so you can insert the paragraph within the comes like this. The output is this. We can give color to our web page. So it includes in the body tag. So in the body tag you leave a space and you can say BG color, that is a keyword, and then you can say equal and the color name. So then the page will look like a yellow page. And then here I have given color to the paragraph. So therefore I use the color inside the paragraph tag, P tag. Earlier I used within the body tag to give the yellow color for the body. The BG color equal here the pink. Color equal here the pink. That means the paragraph color should be pink. So finally this is the output. So I gave paragraph color yellow and the body color to be yellow. So this is the output. Then what is a list? List can be ordered or unordered. Here we are going to look at the ordered list. That means you have to have an order in your list. So you are going to use OL tag, that is stands for orders list, and then LI, that is to type the list. So this is how. Now you have to have the OL tag. Within that you have to have the LI tag to indicate the items. So within the OL tag you have LI tag. Then within that first you say coffee. Then it takes the number 1 as coffee. Then tea takes the number 1 as coffee. Then tea and then milk. And then the closing tag of the ordered list. This is the output. Unordered list, that is basically the points, the bullets we are giving for the list, not the numbers. So that is the unordered list. So here it is the output. So we use UL for unordered list and then LI to indicate the items one after the other. And then here to indicate the special characters. Special characters we can't type using the keyboard. So for that we use this. Here in the H2, that is in the heading, we use @RAG, that is for the copyright character. And then we use the trademark character. You see that after the 10, number 10, you see that TM, that is not a text typed in, that is a special character. So how you get that? You type and trade, and then you can get the trademark character. And yen, then you get this special character after the number 100. Then what we studied. Now you have studied a lot. This is the summary what we have studied. Now you know what are the tags. Now you know what are the difference between other languages and HTML, and you know how to put list when it's come to ordered and unordered. You know about the editors. So you know. So you can follow and complete these worksheets in your book. It is very easy. Now you know the area. Now you know the lesson. So I hope you all can finish these lessons and the worksheets also. So I hope nice session with me. So thank you very much for joining with me. Hope to see you all soon again. Thank you, children.